there bath babes, and welcome to Baking with Bathbox. Today we're going to be making our best-selling party cake, Starry Surprise. This is our only black bath bomb. Firstly, we're going to combine all our ingredients. So right here I have our large mixing bowl, and inside of it I've already got some sodium bicarb and also cream of tartar. I've got some already measured out here that I'm going to add. Once the powdered ingredients have been added to the mixing bowl, it's time to add the liquid ingredients. This bowl contains our essential oils and also our fragrance oils, which are bergamot and also black tea, creating a really nice relaxing herbal blend. Now it is time to add our colours to the oil blend. These colours have been uniquely mixed to create the bath box colour of Starry Surprise, creating a beautiful black colour in your bathtub. Now we are going to mix our colorants with our oil blend. As you can see, we have mixed our colorants into our oil blend, and this helps to create the beautiful color that you will see in your tub. As you can tell, it is a black color. I will now be adding our signature bath box blend to our powdered ingredients. Now for my favorite part, to add the glitter. This makes your bath very shimmery and looks like lava. Be careful because this part can be a bit tricky sometimes, as you're going to see glitter powder go everywhere. Now that all the ingredients have been added together, it's time to mix it on the bath box mixer. So by the end of this episode today, I guarantee you will have a party cake in your cart and you will have it shipped out to you tomorrow by Bathbox, because this right here is one of the most unique creations that has ever been seen before. It is a whopping 1 kilogram of bath bomb. Now this mega cake has 4 slices, and the best part of this is you can gift an individual slice, you can keep it for yourself, you can even mix and match cake slices to create your own custom party cake. It is one of a kind. Now comes the fun part, to press and decorate our party cake, Starry Surprise. Citric acid has now been added to the mixture from before, and now I'm going to combine them by hand. As you can see, our mixture is a beautiful black color. Once well combined, it's time to press it in the cake tin. Now that I have pressed my party cake, it's time to tap it out of the mold. Now that we have taken our party cake out of the mold, it is time to cut them in quarters. Now that we have cut our party cake into quarters, it's time to let it dry for 24 hours. Now that our party cake has dried for 24 hours, it's time to decorate. Starting with 1 slice, we're going to decorate this party cake. So firstly, we're going to decorate the top using our cocoa butter bath box glaze. And now it's time to spread it using a spatula. This creates a galactic effect for an out-of-this-world experience in your bath. Using these sprinkles, we are now going to decorate the top of the cake. We now repeat this process on the side, also creating this galactic effect. gonna add more sprinkles to the base of this cake. Now I'm gonna dust some glitter onto this cake. Now for the finishing touches, we're gonna dust our cocoa butter stars prepared earlier with some glitter. For one slice of cake, we use 2 stars. So now that we have added glitter to our cocoa butter stars, it's time to add some bubble frosting on the top of our cake and then add our stars on top. So this right here is one of 4 slices of Party Cake Starry Surprise. This is our finished product of Starry Surprise Party Cake. And these party cakes are something I will guarantee you will love if you are a bath bomb lover, a bath bomb enthusiast, or are looking to give someone a present. As I already said, you're going to be adding one of our party cakes to your cart. And because of that, I'm gonna give you 20% off if you make a purchase today. Use the code PARTYCAKE20 for 20% off our entire party cake collection. Trust me, this will be an amazing gift. If it's for yourself or for someone special, they're gonna love this bath treat. I hope you enjoyed joining us today for Baking with Bathbox. And for more fun videos, exclusive launches, and of course, giveaways of our products, join us on Facebook and Instagram. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Bye!